In the manufacturing industry, small and detailed parts come together on an assembly line to make great products. The challenge lies in checking these parts because even a small mistake can ruin the whole product. Also, keeping everyone safe is very important for the people we work with. How can artificial intelligence address these challenges? Enter computer vision, a transformative technology. Computer vision teaches computers to see and understand images or videos like humans, employing clever algorithms for object identification, pattern recognition, and decision-making based on visual information. In a production line, challenges like counting products or detecting defects in intricate items are addressed by computer vision, a superpower tackling complex issues. Our team at BIX Tech developed an AI-powered algorithm enhancing accuracy, efficiently counting pieces, identifying defects, and preventing human errors. Having successfully developed more than 1,000 projects, BIX Tech brings a wealth of experience to the table. Integrated advanced computer vision techniques allow real-time understanding of each piece. It's not just about speeding up processes, it's about unparalleled accuracy, shielding against error-related costs. For businesses seeking enhanced efficiency and promise, contact one of our experts. The future of your business awaits, poised to thrive with the fusion of innovation and the extensive expertise and project history of BIX Tech.